Look at where he lands. Look at his front leg. He can at least go another feet and a half to the crease. The line belongs to the umpire. He is losing pace and there's going to be a change in length. Bowling from so far inside. It's been a drop chance.
And there it is. As I said, the big hit is on the cards. And Shahriar Nafees has obliged. Ball drifting down leg and being hit away effortlessly to the boundary.
It's a sixth boundary. An amazing shot. Picks the length quickly, gets into a good position. We've seen this happen very often with Nafees. He uses the bottom hand to get the elevation. And this time it was good enough.
That has prompted a fielder being taken to the deep at mid-wicket. Change in the field. Use of the feet, and he slices that. That's going for a catch, and he has taken a superb catch going forward. That is the second wicket down, slicing that ball, and a very well judged catch taken at deep third man.
Well, a poor shot. He played an outstanding shot the last delivery, and look at this. Very poor shot selection, but look at this for a catch. Keith Dibengwa had to cover quite a bit of distance, running in from third man and diving full length is front. He's taken a blinder. Enough Bangladesh, 62 for 2.
Drifting down leg, they're going through quickly for one. Here comes the throw. Would have been interesting if the ball had hit directly. I still have a chance to him. This is the last ball. See, played it out into the deep. Again, the guy who took that catch doing well, the Bengwa, almost getting a direct hit. That would have been interesting to see. There you see just possibly the batsman, and there goes the ball, and by that time the bat was inside.
20 to win, 33 overs to remain in this match.
Done it.
Can Gan get the placement now?
It's more like Williams. The fielders are very important here and save all these runs.
The slower deliveries that Brent bowls, a handy delivery, especially to somebody like Aftab, who likes the ball to come onto the bat.
Come on, GB.
The more he hits the fielder, the more he'll be trying to crash the ball harder. He's that.
Catch!
Oh, was in the air, but just wide of the man. Prosper would say, I think it was. But the timing was good. It's raced away to the boundary.
Amy, you in the line, let us go.
Rospitzer is standing quite square as an extra cover fielder. This goes through the more orthodox position. And I think if he'd been in that more orthodox position, he might have had a catch. Brent certainly thought that was going to hand. It's a good shot in terms of placement. Had he been a bit straighter, he might have been in trouble with Tavarman.
Slip and a silly point for the left-hander. Impact might have been outside the run-above stump.
Well, the umpire's pursed his lips here, so it was obviously tight. It is close. Whoa, 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 that is tight.
Much more.
Let's say he gets through this over very quickly, but we will try and come back and have a re-look at that LBW shout with the first ball.
This time it's through. Just get the two.
Have a look at this. As Shivers was saying, very full. It's in line. That isn't going to turn much from there. Whoa, the batsman's got lucky there. It was a good shot.
Wants to. And he gets it quite easily in the end. And Pofu, the man in the deep.
It's quite wide.
Very delicate. Starting to grow in confidence now.
Clip and a forward short leg as well. Paddles it a lot finer. Sean Williams will pick it up. Aftab Ahmed. Oh! Has hit him way out of the off stump. Bit cheeky.
Totally unnecessary, in my opinion. Look at it. He could have easily played it to long off for a single. Wicket. There's a situation where he can knock the ball to mid-on, mid-off, pick up singles and go back not out. See the side, bat through till the end, and this was totally unnecessary. It was outside the line of off stump, plenty of open spaces on the offside.
One banner for Aftab. Boom, boom, Aftab. They know the players, they know their potential. Expectation is high. Good shot. Good clean hit. There is a man coming down. It's hit it with the square. That man at the outfield was a lot straighter.
So side. And it was not the slower delivery, so you'll have to say Aftab is keeping a close eye on the release of the ball. There are wide open spaces there, deep mid wicket. Just the two. Bit of improvisation. It can be exciting young batsman. Loves to take risk, loves to dominate the bowling. But so much of risk for just that one run.
Well, it will look good if it comes off, but if it doesn't, then it will look a very poor effort.
40 to 45,000 people they estimate. Gone for the biggie. Catches the call. Well, it's well safe. Bofu into the fielding. It's too.
He spotted the flight but didn't time it to perfection. Luckily for him, this is once again falls in the no man's land.
No runs.
That's better. No risk involved in that shot. Only a single.
There we go. Perfect. Well out. On.
Pick up a single. Sakib Al Hasan to bring up the 100 for Bangladesh. Bangladesh 100 for 2.
Delivery, the second taking its toll. On the way, losing 2 wickets as well. Also give credit to the Bangladesh bowlers, the pace bowlers, and obviously this.
Come on out.
Little tuck away run again. Interesting, we saw that graphic which said 46 balls, but comfortably. As I said, no need to take any risks whatsoever. And there's another example of that good running, soft hands being played with, and just a
Excited to watch Bangladesh cruise along. Nicely played, beautiful driven straight to the long off fielder, only be a single. And this is the new venue, the 7th venue, Sher Bangla Stadium in Mirpur. And
All the attraction.
down the wicket he goes to John Williams. Way over the top, it's gone for a over boundary, over the top of long on.
yes, he wanted the challenge to be thrown at him and took it gleefully. And look at the spectators. Everybody on its feet enjoyed that shot. Went down the track, made room and got the elevation right. And hit it from the sweet part of the ball.
He went for it right at the word go, then slowed things down, and eventually he cut the ball. He went down the wicket, lofting it over the long on region for 6. Use of the feet again, repeat of that stroke. And the use of the feet was really something to note here, Andy.
Yeah, he did. There were a couple of false shots in that lot, but he was determined to imprint his. That was all too easy. Nafees, well, he was.
The bowlers didn't really have a chance with the batters not putting up a big enough total. Everyone's taken to task and really difficult position. Just the 2 wickets for Brent, 8 overs, 25 runs and 2 wickets.